Hey guys, what up? It's Holly here today, and today we have Play-Doh. So this is homemade Play-Doh, and these are balloons. So I'm going to put this homemade Play-Doh in the balloon, but I'm not going to put all of it, don't worry. So let's put these together. Okay, I got most of it in there and kind of put a little hole there, but don't worry, put this on it and it'll be fine. Okay, I'm going to be done this balloon because it's taking a lot of energy and it's all they have is a hole in it, and yeah, I don't want to break the balloon anymore, so yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I got it like this. Now I'm not going to put it like this because it just comes out. But I do need to find like a different one because there's a hole here which will make this go bad and make this really rough, which would be bad. So, okay, so this balloon wouldn't fit in the other one, so I came up with this brown one, but like it's golden brown, and you squeeze it, you can't really see the blue balloon, but the blue balloon, the light blue balloon also had a hole in it. That's a piece of the blue balloon. So I did this, and now it's a squishy, and it feels amazing. Woo! So, subscribe, like this video, and share. You can even comment down below. Bye!